shit! Yo!
I had the last laugh because I'm bound to the new school you're about to see.
Okay. What are you doing? Bud, this isn't how you do this. Buddy, what are you fucking doing? You don't fit, man. Holy shit, okay. Alright, right off the fucking bat. What the fuck, dude?
It's ready.
It's like, okay.
You cooked it, now it's ready. Oh, holy shit.
Jesus, man. Fuck's sake.
Messing with them all the time. But even if I was a fellow car salesman with them, I'd be like, dude, I said the brown one. You walk them out like a clown car to try to sell them.
What the fuck is happening? What is that?
He'd go around and touch it and be like,
Dude.
Jack, you son of a bitch. You brought the clunker. You brought out the... That would suck like a show, right?
What,
You imagine if
okay.
every time I laughed, I passed out.
What are you doing?
Like a fainting goat. If I was like a fainting goat, I could be...
Go that way.
No.
Oh my god, dude.
You can't really do anything.
Are you fucking insane?
She's 17 years old. She's from the UK. She just did a little interview about it here. Here's what she said.
I'm Billy. I have a condition called cataplexy, which means that I lose muscle tone.
Fucking insane person?
I used to often like crying kind of thing.
What the fuck? What the hell are you doing, man? Jesus. Fuck's sake. Or you could go to Dollar Tree and get one. Or you could get Dollar Tree gum.
Oh, it is so bad.
It's a gum. What do you mean? What are you doing? Why are you not going? She's just staring into space. Okay?
Domestic violence protection order by texting a woman from an unrecognized phone number. That woman shared this screenshot with WTV. 1,000 miles away.
Really?
She says that's the song she was listening to on repeat.
So if you don't end up needing your room before the night, let me know and then you can get a refund. Mm-hmm. And so the hotel keeper takes okay. The hotel keeper takes his $100.
About how drugs have changed him physically.
Oh, sure.
Which is really,
oh my god, what are you doing?
everybody's like, what the fuck's happening?
Oh my god.
Till I sweat through socks, dog, I'm on my second pair. I'm from the woods, it's all good like it was Becky's hair. The beat slapped, the record player need its neck repaired. Some flows I stroke so fast became...
A stranger, a veteran pilot from out of state, suddenly became Taylor's guardian angel.
Just having someone to have a conversation with me and not, and not be so, I guess, official with the aviation language. It was just calming. It was perfect and just kind of what I needed in that moment.
Through the radio, Chris gave Taylor instructions on how to land the plane without that front wheel, all while asking her questions and cheering her on.
Right about 67 knots right now.
Okay, perfect. Hold it. You look good. You look great, kiddo.
Those couple minutes were intense, because that's...
incredible. And all of these things combine to really, anytime I think about that, the experiences of the tours, legs of the tour that we did, I get that same rush of the gratefulness thing. I get that moment of, clarity and gratefulness. Because what we do is hard to say that it's like a...
Oh, you're gonna do it again?
Job. We're not exactly digging ditches or risking our lives with what we do or whatever else. There's a lot of jobs that are very stressful and bad for your health. But the side of it that can be tough is
That's awesome.
Perspective.
Let's cut the fucking corner.
Dude.
I don't know. Not sure what maybe a Band-Aid. I don't know. Sorry.
Distracted.
By this big hairy thing. I don't know.
Can't you just close the account or?
I was just gonna say,
the device,
you know what you do? You
there's
just,
so many things.
if you can't handle stuff like that, like having something, so with me, with the kids going through stuff, there are several things that are just they get used by both sides, and that is just the way it is. And you hope, I guess, no one's tracking your every move and listening to the song you're listening to.
I mean,
right.
stalking is horrible in any way.
Yeah.
Okay. Bruh. Fuck you.
It was good.
Nice work.
I wasn't dead today.
Watch out, fucking Jesus.
You've done your family a favor by buying a timeshare. You need my help. Hello, I'm Chuck. When you buy a timeshare, you give them a blank check to fill out any amount they want for annual maintenance and assessment fees. The crazy thing is, this never ends. Even when you die, your family's now going to be stuck with this burden.
Bro. Okay. Are you gonna park or what? You are the slowest person on earth.
The owners say their time there has come to a close. They say it just didn't take off the way they had hoped. I just can't imagine one of my uncles, Irish uncles, walking into a bar and be like, "Ah, yes, can I get a Guinness, please?" Like, "Oh, sorry, sir, we're alcohol-free."
Well, that was interesting.